Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell an item or any services on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Craigslist, where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and using your credentials. After logging into your account, simply click on the post icon at the home page and then you will be able to make a new post. Now, since you want to sell something, you can choose the for sale, by owner or dealer option. If you want to sell some services, you can also click on the service offered menu, or if you are selling houses, you can click on housing offered. Just go ahead and select your option depending on the item that you are selling, and then you might be asked to choose a further category. Just go ahead and enter the posting title for your item, followed by its price. Then enter the location or city, and then enter your postal code. Now type in a few description of the item that you are selling, and then enter the posting details, such as the manufacturer, its condition, and the model number as well as its dimensions. You can also choose whether you offer delivery and whether you choose cryptocurrency as a payment. Then you can simply edit your contact information and choose whether you want to show your phone number and whether you want to receive phone calls or SMS. If you choose to show it, you can simply enter your phone number and your extension followed by your contact details and click on the continue button. Once you do this, you can upload an image by clicking on add images, and once you upload your photos, you can click on done with images. Then you will be shown an unpublished draft from which you can click on the publish button and publish your advertisement immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sell an item on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.